If you always wanted to grow and evolve as a business owner, then the Onpassive model gives you a toolkit that will make it easy to expand your reach and earn a lot of income online. Set it and forget it business model. One of the reasons why Onpassive is a great unicorn company model is because the main focus is on growing and expanding very fast. You have all the tools you need in a single package, and all you have to do is to start using them right away. It's extremely helpful and convenient, with results being staggering every time thanks to that. The main focus is on delivering the ultimate results while also eliminating challenges and pushing things to the next level every time. You have everything from webinar hosting to site creators, domain names, autoresponders, data cleaners for the email campaign, contact managers, domain hosting, landing pages, funnels, and so on. All of this is cleverly included in a very comprehensive, complex solution that you can use and adapt at your own pace. All you have to do is to give it a try for yourself and customize it, and then the AI will take over and ensure you earn the money you want from your website. Why is Onpassive a unicorn company? What makes Onpassive unique is the fact that it helps other people create smaller companies and further expand their exposure online. The platform offers you a great insight into the amazing business opportunities and benefits being brought to the table. All you have to do is to give it a try and check it out, as results can be staggering and impressive every time. Why should you use Onpassive? Onpassive comes with a unique business model, and the main focus is on helping people establish their own automated online business. We want everyone to be successful, and to ensure that we created a plug-and-play AI-based system that helps you solve the problem and eliminate issues in no time. We are very passionate about helping people step out of their comfort zone and offering them solutions that they can rely on. Abundance is not that hard to acquire once you know what you have to do and what tools you need to use in order to achieve that. Things will always work the way you want. All you need is the right amount of commitment to make this work. Onpassive is already available in 200 countries. It's a fully legal business system, and you have all the stuff you need in a single package. Just give it a try and you will be incredibly impressed with the results.